The Vlookup function allows you to search a table or range of cells for the value you're looking for, and returns the corresponding value from another column. Let's take a look at an example to make it easy to understand. Here we have a table of store transactions, and let's say we want to get the price of a light bulb. So in this case we do equals Vlookup, the value that we're searching for, and for the second parameter we add the range where both the lookup value is located and the result that we want to return is. This can also be a name range. The first column must be the lookup value, and the last column is the result that we want to return. For the third parameter, we enter the column position of the table where the result is located, counting from 1, which is the first column in the range, to the last column in the range, where you'd like to return the corresponding value for. In this case, it's going to be 2. And finally, we need to add the lookup type, which is an optional parameter where by default it's set to true, which means approximate match, and false means exact match. So in this case, something that is exactly light bulb or something similar to it. In most cases, we need to use exact, otherwise we can get some undesirable results. And as expected, it returned with the price of a light bulb. If you found this tutorial helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this.